start with an exclusive, and this is new from Whish. And this is a brand that brings us clean beauty. Okay, that result that we're seeing on our screen, by the way, is after 4 weeks, which is absolutely unbelievable. This brand uses Bakuchiol, and it is an alternative, a natural alternative to retinol. So it's something you can use all around the eye area. You're gonna see it in those before and afters. What a dramatic difference in just 4 weeks. So think of yourself, if maybe those fine lines and wrinkles have really shown themselves lately and you want them to fade away. Well, this is going to be the answer to that problem here. You're getting a duo, so 0.5 ounces each, a 681228. And this eye cream is a unique formulation that can be applied all over the eye area, the lid, the brow, underneath, all the way to the lash line, the crow's feet. And we're going to talk to Amy Werner, who is the founder of Whish Body Products. So she's going to give us the ins and outs. But I do want to tell you guys, this is shipping to you for free, and you're getting it home for $60 today. First time we've seen it on free shipping and handling and 5 easy pays. Well, good morning, Amy. Lovely to see you.
So great to see you. I'm so excited to be with you again, Melissa. Sorry I'm not in person, but next best thing.
It's okay, right? This is the next best thing. But speaking of best thing, this is so impressive. Those before and afters. I mean, I'm assuming everyone at home is just picking their mouth off the ground at this point because it's amazing in 4 weeks.
Yes, and 4 weeks is a very short amount of time for any skincare to see any results. So imagine using this 8 weeks, 12 weeks, which you're getting 2. So this is definitely going to last you at least 16 weeks. So this is literally 4 months worth if you're using 2, but you can always gift one. A little tiny bit goes a long way. We have so many incredible ingredients in this formulation. So starting with that Bakuchiol, which is the ingredient that I am obsessed with because I know what it's totally done for my skin. I feel like I've been using it for 9 years. When I started using it, I felt like my skin was frozen in time. And it is truly a clean retinol replacement, but you would never think about using retinol all over your eyelids and up into your lash line. You can do that with Bakuchiol because it's clean and it's gentle, but it delivers results. Then we have that Kalahari melon seed oil. That's a beautiful emollient. It's going to give that silky finish. This formula just soaks into the skin. Your skin just loves it. It's never pills. It never creates any of that greasiness. Then we have the coffee extract, which is another antioxidant. It's loaded with these incredible ingredients that deliver results, and that's what clean beauty is all about. And this is a gel cream formula, so you're going to see a lot of bounce to the formula, but it goes on so smooth and just really penetrates that skin. So you're not only treating fine lines and wrinkles, you're also treating the dark circles and the puffiness. So that's something that I definitely deal with. So when I wake up, I feel like my eyes are always puffy.
Yeah.
And immediately when you put it on, that puffiness just completely dissipates. And again, you would never put retinol up into your lash line like this, but you can do that with Bakuchiol and all over the orbital bone. It is a really incredible formulation.
Yeah. And I love that it's an alternative to retinol, so you can use it every day. You can use it in those places you wouldn't ever think to put retinol. I want to tell our friends at home very quickly that the retail value here is $128, so one would normally be $64. You're getting 2 for less than the price of 1 at this $60 price. So this is definitely a moment to pick up these 2 because it's an exclusive configuration. And you know, you see instant results right there, but this is really where you get to see the magic after 4 weeks.
Yeah, so you can see those deep lines above the brow. So again, I use this all the way around my orbital bone. I use it twice a day. You can use it once a day. That's plenty. I just like the feeling of having it on at night, but this is just a very easy formula to use because you can put it all over the eye area. So above the brow, up into the lash line, you can see in these crow's feet. So not only do you see those smoother lines, so the lines are dissipating, but it also really brightens the skin. And that's that coffee extract in there as well as the Bakuchiol. Bakuchiol is going to really help. brighten the skin. It's a skin renewal. This is another. I love this before and after. You can see the brightness, and then you can see those kind of deep crow's feet. They start to smooth out. They're dissipating. And this is just 4 weeks. This too, you can see all like those deep lines are just completely getting smoothed out. And 4 weeks is a very short time for clinical studies for any kind of result. And this is just incredible. I love this one too, because you can see that just deep creases and that crepey skin. And then after 4 weeks, completely very smooth, very brightened, and just a total transformation in the skin.
Truly. And this is a great opportunity to get your after moment after 4 weeks by getting these home. $60 is your price to get 2 home. One alone is normally $64. So you're getting 2 for less than the price of one. $12 today with any major credit card, debit card, your Q card. It's the first time we've seen this on free shipping and 5 easy pays, but both of those go away at midnight. So again, take advantage of a great value, a 681-228. Amy, thank you so much for joining us. It was so great to spend this little bit of time with you, but I hope we get to do it again real soon.
Yes, hope to see you soon.
Bye.
Thanks, Melissa. Have a great night.
You as well. Speaking of eyes, so we focused on those fine lines and wrinkles.